guys are watching today. We're doing a oil change on a 2021 CRF450RL.
It's gonna send it. There's our mascot.
Here. Our mascot! Come here, cop! This is
Some way. I tried.
Bro. How fun is it if you don't get a little dirty?
I could have kept myself a little cleaner.
Yeah.
What the fuck is this?
That is... Where did that come from? Underneath?
Some kind of zip tie holds up.
And yeah, it's probably from when we did the... Wow, right into it. We just got these bikes, so we figured we'd make a little channel to show you guys how to work on them. So, you just remove this first bolt to 10 mil.
These are all different sizes.
Bolts. Each front two. This is the one that goes in the back. Put this over here.
I want to clean that out.
Okay.
Before we put it back
Got a
on.
little dirt in there. Alright, now for the oral. What were we watching, man?
What?
When we first found that, the oral. It's a 10 mil hex. Allen.
Where's that?
So this is the messy part. They make a easy works connection where you can dump the bike over and empty it out, but we don't want to do that. Just the old-fashioned way. Drain her out. And that's why we bring out the cardboard. So this is a good part to note that...
Here, take it off the stand really quick.
Right. You might want to tip the bike back and forth to get all the oil out.
Oh, yeah.
There's like a certain spot where she just starts gushing. I recommend you replace that little O-ring there. We're not going to do that this time, or probably next time, but this is what we're talking about here. Honda wants you to replace that, but you can probably get away.
We'll get around to it.
Yeah, we'll get around to it.
Grab me some paper towels.
Okay. You know it's serious when the hat goes backwards.
It smells like we were beating the hell out of these things.
Guess for those watching, this is our second oil change. Did our first at like 50 miles. And we off-road them more than anything, so Honda says every 30 hours. We're a little premature. This is, you know, our second oil change, but we wanted to make sure it was good. And what do we got on here? We got almost 16 hours on yours. Careful organizing these bolts because they are different lengths. So you want to keep them in order. Obviously put them back where they came from. And there's 3 bolts on this outer cover, right? Yeah. This cover will come off. You kind of have to put the, I recall we had to move the shifter a little to put it down or up. Down. Put it up. So then you come to these 2 bolts on the oil filter cover. They're also 8 mil. see Derek's using a regular wrench to loosen these bolts. You don't want to use an impact on the engine, taking the bolts out. Could break something. Yeah, there you go, look at that. And these bolts are also different lengths, right? Yep. So your top bolt is a little shorter and your bottom bolt's longer. Obviously, you wanna
probably covered in oil.
Yep. Keep those in order. And you have a little O-ring there on the outside case. You got the filter, and then you have the spring in the back, and you just pulled out. And how's our filter looking?
It's actually not bad. Oh.
Yeah, wipe out all the gum in there. And filter, the HF116. Be sure to put this back in. That hole's going right up top.
And make sure you put the spring back in too.
Yep. Can't forget that.
Make sure you don't drop the spring in there.
It'll seat nice and flush. If you guys get any binding while you're putting this in, just double check, make sure your spring's centered. A couple people actually breaking the bolts on this, and I have a feeling it's just people not reading the manual or looking at the manual right, and because these that plastic cover that was on here, those require 9 foot-pounds in the manual, the off-road manual, but it also specifies in the beginning of manual 6mm thread with that head type is only 7 foot-pounds. So people are adding 2 extra foot-pounds to this bolt, and it's so tiny. And
I think I need a little extension for this, don't I?
Probably the main reason they're snapping those. We're gonna set it to 7 times 12, that's 84 inch-pounds. We're gonna set it to. Now we're just gonna fill her up with oil. Take this guy out. We're gonna torque this oil bolt, drain bolt to 13 foot-pounds, 156 inch-pounds. Oh, look at that, perfect. It was already tight enough. Captain and crew chief. Captain. Boy. Fluid ounces. This is a 18 to 20 ounce cup. We just did 2 16-ounce pours and then a 7-ounce pour to get to our 39 fluid ounces.
Bloop. Alright. Back with the installation video.
We're getting skid plate on. This what Honda calls a skid plate. This thing's kind of thin. We might have to replace it eventually.
Stick that right in the hole like anyone would.
Yep. And you're
That's for
our
older viewers.
Censored.
There.
There she was.
That's what I thought I did.
So in reverse order, we're putting a longer bolt in the back here. And then your 2 bolts right here and here. Now these are 7 foot-pounds, that's why I wanted to double check. So these guys here are 7 foot-pounds, 84 inch-pounds. There's just getting. Oh yeah.
Hit that side.
Click it up.
I ain't moving again.
Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Game face.
Well, I can't see a damn thing, so I'm just hoping I'm tightening the right thing.
Alrighty. Well, that will conclude our first video on the 2021 450RL. If you need to get your oil changed on your new bike, Or you know, you got it secondhand a couple years down the road. Now you know how to work on it. Feed it